Hello and welcome. Big threat for India as Turkey becomes drone superpower of the world. Its control over global drone weapon market is now Turkey's most popular combat drone. The Bayraktar TB2 has become a game changer in modern warfare. The Ukrainian military has been using this killer drone effectively against Russian forces. Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan, who is secured his election victory with promises for advanced fighter jets, killer drones, warships, and tanks, has another reason to celebrate. Turkey now dominates 65% of the global drone market and controls 60% of the combat drone sector worldwide. The head of Turkey's leading drone manufacturing company, Baker Selçuk Bayraktar, recently announced that Turkey has become the world's largest producer of drones. Selçuk, who is also Erdogan's son-in-law, is widely speculated to be a potential political successor to the Turkish leader. Turkish killer drones have left a trail of destruction from Armenia to Ukraine and Africa and are increasingly becoming a strategic challenge for the countries like India. Let's delve into the details. Turkish drone, a trail of destruction from Armenia to Syria. Turkish drones have demonstrated their destruction capabilities in conflicts across Armenia, Ukraine, Africa, and most recently Syria. This progress has resulted in a surge of international orders for Turkish drones. Selçuk Bayraktar, who also serves as the chief technology officer of Baker, has been the world's largest of drone manufacturer for the past 3 years. Baker, the face of Turkish defense and aerospace industry, Baker has emerged as the face of Turkey's defense and aerospace sector. According to the Selçuk, Baker is now 3 times larger than its American competitors. The company is not only a leader in the Turkish defense industry, but is also among the top exporters of drones globally. Turkey's dominance in the drone market, superheaded by Baker, highlights its growing influence in global defense technology, with its unmanned aerial systems playing a significant role in modern warfare. Turkish drones wreaks havoc globally. Turkey's most popular combat drone, the Bayraktar TB2, has become a game changer in modern warfare. The Ukrainian military has been using this killer drone effectively against Russian forces. Accordingly, Azerbaijan deployed its successor to defeat Armenia in the Nagorno-Karabakh conflict. In North Africa, several countries engaged in civil wars have also made extensive use of this drone. According to Bayraktar, the TVT drone is the world's most exported combat drone. Turkey's total defense exports stand at USD 5.5 billion, with one third of the at coming from the Baker, the drone manufacturer. In 2023, Baker reported that 90% of its revenue came from foreign markets, with total exports reaching USD 1.8 billion as of August this year. Baker has signed agreement to the supply Vector TB2 drones to 34 countries. Furthermore, Turkey's larger Akinci drone has been sold to 10 countries. Baker is also working on Turkey's first unmanned fighter jet, Kizilime, which completed its maiden flight in 2022. Mass production of KZ Lima has recently started, making a new era in Turkish defense capabilities. Additionally, Baker is developing drones for naval applications capable of operating from aircraft carriers. Baker has now started producing the Bayaktar TB-3, an upgraded version of the TB2 with enhanced capabilities and lethality. The Skila drone is becoming a significant concern for India, as three of its neighboring countries, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and the Maldives, have acquired these powerful drones. A new challenge for India. The Reactor TB3 drones are equipped with advanced surveillance cameras and real time video transmission capabilities, along with missiles capable of destroying high value targets. Bangladesh is reportedly using these drones along the West Bengal and Meghalaya borders to monitor Indian territory. During the periods of heightened tension, meanwhile, the Maldives is leveraging these drones to monitor maritime areas, keeping a close watch on India. The increasing presence of Turkish drones in India's neighborhood underscores the rising strategic challenge posed by the Turkish rapidly expanding drone industry. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for more videos. Many thanks. Please subscribe. No more to rain. Thank you again. Collected and from India.com.